there something particular you're trying to communicate, or is this something you're searching for, or is it just an open invitation?
There are hundreds of things that I'm searching for, from tiny details of sound to any type of form, any type of change of form actually, because next time I would show this, I would change the work. But I don't have one or like some main like agendas, like it's curiosity, but there's something like it it's made to, it's prepared for people, but it's also to celebrate individual perspective also. Because I played in bands, I'm playing in a band, I know how to act in a band, to be very personal but act as a group. I had experience of sports teams. I'm working in a state university. I became big part of big crowds, political demonstrations to football matches, to types of rituals. But this, in this practice, which I show with my name, even though I work with people, I think a part is a celebration of individuality. Perspectives are tiny, small, sometimes humble, personal perspectives, and our hybrid forms, because we are hybrid forms, we are all hybrids of countless influences. So in that sense, individuality is something interesting in that sense. And using that individuality to try to connect with other individuals and their communication with themselves, but also the rest of life, of world, of whatever. And sometimes not being limited by languages is also trying to be not limited by languages, but then include language if you want. So yeah, it's an important part, I think.